How to change currency on Facebook Ad Manager. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change currency on your Ad Manager. So let us just begin. So this is Ad Manager right here. First, just open up your Facebook initially, and after you do that, go to Ads Manager. Now, at first, we'll look around Ads Manager to see an option from where we can change our currency. So let's just do that first. So there you can see billing and payment. So just go to billing and payment for now. So open it up. It might take some time depending on your internet speed. So after billing and payments load up, what we'll do is, so here you can see that my current balance is $0. Now, what if I want to change this currency? What should I do? So the only thing that you can do is, you can first you'll have to go to your normals, Facebook. After that, settings and privacy and settings. So first, just go to settings and privacy and go to Meta Account Center. Make sure that you're on your admin page, not on your page, normal, Facebook page. So after you're here, you will see Meta Pay option. Go to Meta Pay. After you're there, you will see add a debit card or credit card. If you already have that, that's completely fine. So right here, when you're trying to add your new card, you will just need to make sure that the country that your setup that you will set up is on the country that you want to change the currency into. So let's say that I want to change it to something like the currency of Germany. So I'll make sure that to add my billing address, I'll just change it to Germany. After doing all of these and filling all of these up, you'll need to save it and you're basically done. That is how you change your currency in MetaAd. So this will automatically change it right here. And yeah, that is basically it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.